Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your password in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I've done right here. As we're interested to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's tactics of how to change your password in Best Buy. From your homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have this hi and your name. I'm going to take you to an extended window with an extended option. So in here where you have account, purchases, product payment methods, go all the way down to account settings and click on account settings, and that's going to take you to the account settings window. Once we get in there, I'm going to show you what to do. So here you have three categories: your info, account security, and connections. Head over to account security. You're going to find email addresses, change your password, set up verification, but remember devices and passkey. We want to change your password, right? So click on change your password and it's going to take you to this window where you can now change your password. Now, so I need to verify my account. Okay, so I'm just going to go through this process to verify my account because Best Buy security conscious. So right in that window, I clicked on use your Google account and it took me in here. So it says enter a new password. So you can enter a new password, and once you enter a new password, you can now select confirm new password. Now, whatever you added in this new password, go ahead and repeat it in this confirm new password tab. And once you check and click on keep me signed in so that you'll not have to get this prompt repeatedly. Now go ahead and click on save and continue. And once you click on save and continue, that's going to be it. Your Best Buy password is going to be changed successfully. So that's pretty much the process. So you can either use your Google account in the just like the previous window said. And let's just go the way back. So and they came back to this. So you can use your Google account, all right, and then or you can use email a code to Macamanda for you to verify your account. That's just this. So once you're done, after going through this verification process, you need to click the next window where you can now change your password. So I'm using the Google account. So this now, enter a new password and repeat the new password here. Click on keep me signed in and you'll be good to go. Now go watch this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.